morning, students. Let us start chapter 4, video number 7, parts and wholes. This is from Mathemagic class 5. So let us move the today's topic. Topic is Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. You can see there are 9 equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 equal parts. What vegetable does he grow? He grows chilies, potatoes, brinjal, tomato, spinach, tomato, potato, and tomato. So, in different part, different vegetable he is growing. Okay. So let us see what is the question. Which vegetable grows in biggest part of the field? Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of the field? Question number 1. So you can see there are 9 parts, and out of 9 parts, chili is growing in 1 part, potato is growing in 2 parts, brinjal is growing in 2 parts, tomato is growing in 3 parts, spinach is growing in 1 part. So, which vegetable grows in biggest part of the field? Tomato. Which vegetable is growing in the biggest part? Tomato. And what is that? Let us see. 1, 2, 3. So, tomatoes are growing in the biggest part. That will be 3 part out of total 9 parts. Ramu is growing his vegetable in 9 equal parts. So, he is growing tomato in 3 upon 9 parts. Means 3 parts out of 9 parts. You can see it clearly. Okay. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Means we can say 1 upon 3 part. Means every 1 part out of 3 parts. Okay. So let us give the answer. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are growing in the biggest part of the field, which is equal to tomatoes are going in the biggest part, which is equal to 3 upon 9. That is equal to 1 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So tomatoes are growing in 1/3 of the field. Now question is, on what part of the field does he grow potato? On what part of field does he grow potatoes? You can see potatoes are going on 2 parts, 1, 2. So out of 2, 9. Out of 9 parts, 2 is for potatoes only. Okay, so potatoes is going in 2 parts. So answer is here. He grows two upon 9 parts. Okay, potatoes in two parts. Total parts are 9. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjal? Spinach and brinjal. What are the parts used for spinach and brinjal? Let us see. This is spinach. How many parts? 1. Total parts are 9. This is brinjal. How many parts? 2 parts. 1 and 2. Total parts 2 upon 9. Okay. So grows spinach in 1 part out of total 9 parts. And the next question of this, what part is used for brinjal? So he grows brinjals equal to 2 parts out of total 9 parts. Okay, so this is end of question number 3. Now 4. Write some questions by looking at this picture and answer the questions. Now let us see. The question can be, in what part he grows chilies? In what part he grows chilies? So the answer will be 1 part out of total 9 part. Which two vegetables he grows equally? Next question could be, which two vegetables he grows equally? So you can see potato 2 parts, brinjal 2 parts. So potato and brinjals he is growing equally, and the answer will be 2 upon 9 parts. Okay, so in this way you can frame some more questions and also write the answer of them. Let us move to next. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friend. He gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/5 of potatoes. Let us see. There are some potatoes and some tomatoes. What he does, he gave Abu Bakr, he gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of tomato and 1/3 of potato. Okay, and he has another friend Srija. What he do? He give 2/5 of tomato and 3/6 of potato, and the rest of the vegetable he give to Nancy. Okay, so let us see what part Nancy gets, how many tomatoes and potatoes Abu Bakr gets, and how many parts of potato tomatoes Sriza gets. Let us see. Let us do about potatoes. Okay, so 1/5 of potatoes Abu Bakr gets. Let us see how many total potatoes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total potatoes are 18, and 1/3 is given to Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr gets 1/3 of potatoes. Okay, so Abu Bakr will get how many potatoes? Abu Bakr will get 1/3 of 18 potatoes. How many total potatoes are there? 18. So 1/3 of 18 means Abu Bakr will get 3 6 ja 18. We will divide this 18 by 3. So 3 6 ja 18. Abu Bakr will get 6 potatoes and Shriza gets 3/6 potatoes. Shriza gets 3/6 of potatoes. Okay, so Shriza gets 3/6 of total potatoes are 18. Okay, this is 18. 18 3s are, I can directly divide it. 6 3s are 6, 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so Shriza gets 9 potatoes. Abu Bakr gets 6 potatoes. Shriza gets 9 potato. Rest of the potato who will get? Nancy. Rest of the potatoes Nancy will get. So Nancy will get total potatoes are 18. Abu Bakr gets 6, so 18 minus 6. Shriza gets 9 minus 9, so 18 minus 6, 9 and 6, 15. So Nancy gets 18 minus 15, 3. Okay, so the answer is Abu Bakr gets 6 potatoes. Shriza gets 9 potatoes. Nancy gets 3 potatoes. Okay, so this is all about potatoes. Okay, now move towards tomatoes. Here are tomatoes. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. How many tomatoes? 20. Okay, so Abu Bakr, let us start with Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr gets 1/5 of tomato. 1/5 of tomatoes. So 1/5 into 20, 5 4 ja 20. So Abu Bakr gets 4 tomatoes. Abu Bakr gets 4 tomatoes and Shriza gets 2/5 of tomato. Shriza gets 2/5 of the tomato. Shriza gets 2/5 of, in mathematics we write multiplication for of 2/5 of tomatoes. Tomatoes are 20. Okay, again 5 4 ja 20, so 2 into 4, 2 4 ja 8. So Shriza gets 8 tomatoes and the rest of the tomato Nancy will get. So how many tomatoes Nancy will get? Nancy will get total tomato minus whatever tomato Abu Bakr takes and minus whatever tomatoes Shrija takes. Okay, so Nancy gets 20 minus 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So Nancy gets 8 tomatoes. Okay, so Nancy gets 8 tomatoes. So I hope you understand this. Let us move. Now the question is, circle Abu Bakr's share in blue and Srija's share in yellow. So circle here with your pencil, crayon pencil, blue and yellow to encircle the Abu Bakr's and Srija's share. So Abu Bakr's share is 6 potatoes, 4 tomatoes. So color with blue color encircle 6 potatoes and 6 potatoes and 4 tomatoes. And Shrija with yellow color, so 9 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. The rest of the part will be for Nancy only. So let us move next. How many potatoes and tomatoes did Nancy get? So the answer will be the question is how many potatoes and tomatoes Nancy will get? So the answer is Nancy will get potatoes and tomatoes. How many potatoes and how many tomatoes? 3 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. Okay, so you can calculate and write this. Now guess and check. Guess and check. What part of each shape is colored? Now look at this. Can you guess what part of this shape is colored? Yes, 1/8 part. How can I say this? Let us see. You can see how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an octagon with 8 sides. And out of 8 sides, one side part is colored with blue. Okay. So how many total parts are there if I will join this kind of lines? So the shape can be divided into 8 parts. This shape can be divided into 8 parts. Okay, first part, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. Out of 8 parts, how many colored with blue? 1. Okay, so colored part is equal to 1 upon 8. So in this way we can understand easily. Let us move next and say whether we are right or wrong. Now see, let us join the lines. Done. Done. Always join straight lines with the help of scale. Okay, so now in this way this can further be divided into 2 parts. Now let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total parts are 15 total. And how many colored portion? Colored parts is equal to 4 divided by 15. Okay, colored part is equal to 4 divided by 15. 4 is the part which we have colored and 15 is the total number of parts. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.